Hello everyone, I am Anirudh Bad, Principal Solution Architect here at Axway. I welcome you to yet another video about Transfer CFT, Axway's solution for your peer-to-peer transfer needs. In this short video, we will demonstrate a peer-to-peer data exchange and explore how to set up the required automation. This video is divided into following segments. Let's start with solution overview. Axway Transfer CFT is fast, secure, and lightweight file transfer solution that ensures reliable data exchange between applications or peers. It supports TLS 1.3, prioritized payload, guaranteed delivery, and accelerated large file transfers via PTCP. Compatible with 16 operating systems, it enables seamless cross-platform transfers and direct streaming to cloud storage like Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage, and Azure Blob. Its flexible deployment suits diverse enterprise needs. For today's demonstration, we are going to use PeSIT transfer protocol for data exchange. PeSIT is a secure and reliable file transfer protocol developed in 1986 by French Interbank Teleclearing System (GSIT) for interbank data exchange. It offers features such as data confidentiality, integrity, non-repudiation. It supports advanced operations like restart, pause, resume, cancel, and synchronization points, along with real-time error detection and automatic retries. PESIT also enables compression encoding, multi-file transfer, acknowledgement messaging, and remote file operations, making it a comprehensive solution for both direct and store and forward data transfer in any business setup. That being said, let's move on to the next section, demonstration and walkthrough. For today's video, let's consider that we want to send orders.csv files from the inventory application to the distribution application. As mentioned, we will use PeSIT as the transport protocol. We will execute the demo use case using an SFTP client to upload files to the source location, followed by verifying the successful file transmission by checking the target application. Then we will explore the platform and see how to set up the required configurations. So let's go to the demo now. Here, we are using SFTP clients to connect to the source application inventory on the left hand side of the screen, as well as the target application distribution on the right hand side. Based on our use case, we will upload the orders.csv file to the input location as seen here. The automation is configured to execute every 10 seconds and remove the files from the source after pickup. As we can see, the file is picked up by the platform and deleted from the source. On the right hand side of the screen, the file should be moved to the destination and renamed based on the configuration as we can see here. And that confirms that the file transfer was successful between the two applications. Now, let's go to the underlying platform and see the setup. Here in a browser session on the left hand side of the screen, we will log into the CFT agent configured for inventory application. On the right hand side, there is another browser representing the distribution application. First of all, let's expand the inventory peer and go to flow definitions. Then click on partners here. In this case, distribution signifies the partner with whom inventory application wants to connect for peer-to-peer data exchange. During this setup, we can define the required transport protocol, PeSIT in this case, along with TCP as the network layer protocol. Other partner setup configurations include security, authorization, communication setup are also defined here. Similarly, inventory will be configured as a partner in the target application distribution, as shown here on the right hand side browser. This setup basically concludes partner configuration between the involved applications. If we have more than one partners, each peer must have similar setup done for each partner. In the next step, we will move to send templates in the inventory application. Send templates define how the files will be sent from the source application. Here, we have defined a unique ID, orders, which will be used later during the configuration for folder monitoring. Other specific file properties can also be configured here. For example, pre-processing and post-processing actions, how the files will be picked, what happens if the files are not found, what happens after the files are picked, etc. On the flip side, as a receiver of this data exchange, we have also defined a receive template on the distribution application agent. The receive template defines how the file will be received on the target application. This includes where the files will eventually land, the resultant file name, post processing actions, file reception timing, specific access requirements, error handling procedures, etc. Once both send and receive templates definitions are completed, we need to configure how and when the files will be picked from the source. One of the options is to set up folder monitoring. Based on our use case, let's go to flow definitions and then folder monitoring in the source, either the inventory application. Here we configure the source directory, partner, polling interval, unique identifier, specific file patterns, wildcards, etc. Once all of this are done, the files are ready to be automatically pulled from the source location every 10 seconds and processing starts. And that concludes the walkthrough and the demo we planned to show today. Let's go to the presentation now. Based on what we saw, Transfer CFT offers a powerful and user-friendly solution for secure file transfers. Streaming operations with easy setup that requires no coding or scripting. Its intuitive configuration simplifies partner onboarding, while reusable templates and asset cloning significantly reduces delivery time and effort. Designed for seamless integration, Transfer CFT enables flexible, event-driven processes that connects application across diverse platforms, ensuring effective and reliable data exchange in complex IT environments. That brings us to the end of today's video. As a part of this series, other videos will cover peer-to-peer overview, one-to-many peer transfers using broadcasting, API adoption, and more. Please check the description section for links to those videos. And that's a wrap for now. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact the Axway sales team. Goodbye, take care, and thank you.